Here we have a set math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. X square negative 4x positive 2 equals to 0. If a and b are the roots of the equation above, what is the value of a positive 1 times b positive 1? Here we have a quadratic equation, and also we have the two roots of this quadratic equation. They are a and b, and we have to get the value of this product a positive 1 times b positive 1. Okay, to get the value of this product, I need the values of the two roots a and b. Okay, for that we have to solve this quadratic equation. I don't think this quadratic equation can be solved by factoring. So in that case, we may have to use quadratic formula to get the two roots a and b of this quadratic equation. When I use quadratic formula, there is a chance that the roots are irrational numbers. When the roots a and b are irrational numbers, it's a bit difficult to get a value of this product a positive 1 times b positive 1. So we have to use some other strategy to get the value of this product a positive 1 times b positive 1. Okay, first let me multiply these two binomials a positive 1 and b positive 1. Let me do it. So here we can use FOIL method to multiply these two binomials. That is, first we have to multiply the first terms. A times b is ab. Now we have to multiply the outer terms. A times positive 1 is positive a. Now let's multiply the inner terms. Positive 1 times b is positive b. And here let's multiply the last terms. Positive 1 times positive 1 is positive 1. Okay, here I multiplied the two binomials and I got this expression. Okay, in this expression, here we have a times b. That is the product of two roots of this quadratic equation. And here we have a positive b. That is the sum of the two roots of the given quadratic equation. At last, we have 1. Okay, now my aim is to get the product of two roots of this quadratic equation. That is a times b. And also, I have to get the sum of the two roots of this quadratic equation. That is a positive b. How do we have to get that? For that, we can consider a quadratic equation standard form. That is ax square positive bx positive c equals to 0. Okay, when we have a quadratic equation in standard form like this one, there is a formula to get sum of the roots of the quadratic equation, that is negative b over a. So here we take negative sign and we consider the coefficient of x in numerator, and we take the coefficient of x square a in denominator. And also there is a formula to get the product of the roots. So the formula to get the product of the roots is c over a. That is, we have to divide the constant term by the coefficient of x square. Okay, now let's consider the given quadratic equation, that is x square negative 4x positive 2 equals to 0. So this is also in standard form. Okay, now let's get sum of the roots of this quadratic equation. Already we know that for this quadratic equation, a and b are the two roots. Okay, sum of the roots means we have to add a and b. So the formula is negative. We have to take the coefficient of x. Here the coefficient of x is negative 4 divided by, so a is the coefficient of x square. Here the coefficient of x square is just 1. Okay, here negative times it will become positive. 4 divided by 1 is just 4. Now let's get the product of the two roots. That is a times b. That is equal to c over a. So here c is a constant term. That is 2 divided by the coefficient of x square. That is the value of a. Then we get 2. Okay, here I got the values of a positive b and ab. Okay, now let me plug in over here. That is for ab we can plug in 4. And for this a positive b, we can plug in 2, positive 1. Okay, here when I add 4, 2 and 1, I am getting 7. Okay, here I got the product of the two binomials a positive 1 and b positive 1. It is 7. We find 7 in answer choice C. The correct answer choice for this question is C.